Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by requesting a physical SIM swap from Airtel. Do it at a store or via the Airtel app/IVR immediately. Once done, make sure you have photo ID and the phone's MA ready because staff or the portal will ask for it. You should also back up contacts and note your active eSIM profile details. This avoids losing numbers. Finally, confirm the requested nano SIM size and whether your line will be moved instantly or after verification, so you know what to expect. You now remove the eSIM profile from your device after the swap request is acknowledged. First, disable network connections so no profile sync interrupts the process. Then open Settings Cellular or Mobile Network, tap the eSIM profile, and choose Remove or Delete. Follow prompts and authenticate if asked. Once removed, call the Airtel agent or check SMS confirmation to verify the eSIM has been unlinked from your account. This step prevents conflicts when the physical SIM is activated. You finish by inserting the new physical SIM into the correct tray and restarting the phone so the network can provision your line. Once rebooted, wait up to 15 to 30 minutes for activation, make a test call, and send an SMS. If it doesn't register, use the Airtel activation code or contact customer care for remote provisioning and confirm the MA on file. If problems persist, ensure the SIM is seated properly. Verify APN and network mode, and return to the store for a SIM replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.